What up? What going now? Big up to my fans, I mean, is it? For real? Yeah, man. Actually, I don't know, sir. I want to cook some ackee and saltfish, you know, with like some cassava and dumpling and banana and breadfruit with them, something there, is it? So right now, you know, say, and I bush me hide for you can see it, though. Bean tree that there, so you see it. There I feel in the bush, so you don't know a thing, so down. Yeah, man. Man, actually, see a banana, you see it. Look on him, see him? Yeah, man, that one go cook. Down. So nice style. Yeah, man, want chop him up, you know, and something. You see it? Down, see it there? Nice banana, down. Yeah. Reach back a yard and something, you know, you see it. Right now, it's a breadfruit. Down. See him there? Yeah, honest. Cause like you want to broke on my tick. But that him broke the tick. Yeah, man. Actually, you could have seen him beat me up, but see it there. Just pick him off, you see it. Natural fresh cooking though. Yeah, man. You don't know about there, sir. See me have some cassava there already. So that a breadfruit gone and cassava gone and banana gone, you see it? Yeah, man. And you don't know them no I cook pan as usual. Yeah, man. For real. I want to deal with some ackee and saltfish, you see it. Cook some food, some breadfruit and dumpling and banana and all of this thing there. That I pray, you know, you see it for real. Yeah, man. Don't know ackee this, clean him out and something. I go boil him off and thing, you know, though. Yeah, man, I ackee that, you see it. Yeah, actually, I get my plant now, I get my pumpkin, you see it. So I'm a flower left. And I don't know that style about I plan for greater planting in the flower, it and pumpkin in the flower and knead it together, you see it. I couldn't see what I go on, I don't know bad no there for hold the camera, but I couldn't see what I go on, you see it. Yeah, man, for real. Yeah, me actually do the bean tree, you know, know some decide, so I go cook up some bean with the ackee and saltfish, you see it. Okay, you know, I saw sunrise do it down. Yeah, man, so me actually do the farm, you know, pick off a couple of beans, you see it. Yeah, man, some rocket, man, you see it. Original. Nothing add on, nothing take off, you see it. See them like how I stay, I see them, so I give you a video. You see it, yeah, man. Pick some bean, because we cook some ackee and saltfish. So I want to put the bean in it. A lot of bean up on my tree, man, you see it. Yeah, man. Yesterday I sent out some go America to, you see it, so if you want some bean or gungo, you can get them too, you see them. Don't know, I'm going to shell them out though. Yeah, man. This will do me. You see, but I have one heap more, some dry one I have to take off the plant too. This will do me, you see. Cook them up with the ackee and saltfish down. Yeah, man, so 45 lay down and wait for dinner there. You see it. Yeah, man. Actually, I pumpkin that me grater, you see it. Yeah, man, we grater I pumpkin it on the planting. So I throw the flour in that and caramel and mix it up, you see it. I also have some lovely sour sap. I go on everything in one of some of my channel stay, but this me mostly I deal with, you know, you see it. Ackee and saltfish, that me I deal with, you see it. For real. And I man himself there, so yeah, man, way out in the country, you don't know. Country life, our best life, you just want to have money and a nice wife, everything alright in life. You know them way there. Yeah, man, for real. And actually catch up the cold stove, you know, you see it. Breeze kind of powerful. But one good thing you need is a scandal bag, you see it, and tight, you see that? Yeah, make it burn little. See breeze a blow you. Yeah, and you're gonna put some coal on top of a scandal bag where you just light. You see it, and there so you shall have a fire. Done? This is how easy it is to catch a coal stove or your wood fire, whatever you see it. Yeah, man. So catch it now, make it keep burning. Yeah, man, I saw me have to shot it because I don't know nobody for the camera, so for only myself and deal with them, I deal with. Don't see it there. Fire catching now, you see it. Yeah, man. And yellow are going easy back. Alright. Yeah, man, see it there. We take out the bean them from out the shell, you see it. So I done this now. And after that, you see it. So right now, it's saltfish. Fire catch up on something, you see it. So we cat him choose for there, so we fire there. This is when I jump up on him foot. But so I go on that pot there. See the pot a boil up, you don't know ackee and saltfish, so you put in the saltfish in the pot and make it boil. So like it a boil up now, you can throw in the ackee, you see it. Yeah. You see, look now. And the bean them too. Remember ackee and saltfish and you put bean in it. You see it? Yeah, man. So you can throw in the bean, they make everything cook. You see it, so him that. Yeah, man. Lock up that now and make that go and cook. And nothing normal. I know what? I know nothing normal. Yeah, man. Over here, so now I start peel up my breadfruit and my cassava and my plantain. You see it? Yeah, man. See breadfruit there. See cassava there and see plantain. See skin them there. You see it? Me and my pumpkin there. So now worry about the sauce up on the line. Them there to make juice. Whether today or me don't know. You see it? I remember over here, so you know, the pumpkin dumpling. It's on the plantain. My great type plantain. It's on the pumpkin, and I'm going to mix it with the flour and the cornmeal. So my dumpling I got nice, you see it? I know enough of you never try this, you can try it. Greater your plantain or the flour or greater your pumpkin. Any one of them you want to choose for greater, you see it? Yeah, man, that's I pray. Yeah, on this side flour, this side cornmeal. Yeah, I don't use whole light, and whole light I use, I just show you what I go on, you see it? So remember me tell you after you grater them you just throw the flour and cornmeal pan, you see it? So you grater when you use a cider, you see it? Yeah, man. Yeah, see the extra. See them me throwing the flour, throwing some cornmeal and now you see it?
Have a chance to move this constituency to prosperity. I am asking.
Yeah, man, you see it? So yeah, so me I deal with it. Then I just mix on everything, you see it? Yeah, mix on everything. And then I get your water and knead the flour now, you see it? Yeah, man, so me I shot it. I say I heard you soon see your flour look when it need. You see it? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, actually, you see you look here now. You look decent, though. Yeah, man. So you don't know this ready for going in a pot when the pot ready for it, you see it? So you look, yeah, man, flour need good. See it? You don't know. I flour this, cornmeal, little salt, and my great type plantain, and my great type pumpkin in our flour, you see it? So that's why the flour looks so. If you just a throw in pumpkin flour, you see it? Real. Yeah, actually see them, yeah? See steamer come off fire. Yeah, them just don't cook. I'm going to throw off them in a dish. You see it? Yeah, man. Don't know I flour that, but see saltfish fry up with my onion, scallion, garlic and thyme. You see it? You don't know highly they are hot. Yeah, man. You hear it? Yeah. So it clean so. What I look at pepper out of farm because I saw me I try to set for me thing, you know, don't. Yeah, man. Whole heap of pepper. Take that one still, but see them there? You have whole heap of pepper, you see it. Yeah, man. Is it? Yeah, remember, you know, you can cut up anything you want in your ackee and saltfish, you know, you see it. But at this time, the season pan kind of empty, so I'm going to have you see it, my onion, garlic, scallion and thyme, because them they in the kitchen down. Yeah, so you see it a fry up. January time, so you can't smell it through the phone and nothing normal. Yeah, man. So in this you know, you have to chop your ackee. Put on the bean. Yeah, man, you see it. Now some rocky down. Yeah, man. Oh, look. Oh, look. It look good. Yeah, man. I say, look. Whoosh. Alright, chewing them here now, you see it? Yeah. Don't know. See him? You're going back a store. Yeah, man. Okay, look. Yeah, man, you see, look. Well, this is a part of me cook the dumpling myself, so I take all the water out and tip in it because water done hot already, you see it? So you see my bubble up? Yeah, man. You see? And you put any little seasoning you want to put pan in, but in Jamaica you don't know we put the black pepper, so you soon see it. Now season him up and make you see what I go on, you see it? Yeah, you see it? Yeah, and you know too want stir up it too much, you know, because just when you stir up it, ackee will mash out, you see it? Yeah, but that's so. That I go on. Yeah, man. See it? And normal, look on him good. Yeah, man. I bean them there you see night down. So sunrise do it thing. Yeah, man. January star. The thing look good, the thing smell good. I don't know. Yo, I saw your name there have a taste of Mr. Ackee and saltfish with bean in it. I don't know normally I'm a G. Just tune in when you can, you see it? Yeah. Don't know that I go and cook done. I go turn to this pot here and I put in the dumpling them and something. But see me? Yeah, man. Actually, I go make the flour them put in a pot here and something and put in them there in a pot. So, you know a thing set. Soon get back to you, you know what I mean?
I want you to carry this on the road for me. And don't take no time from nobody. Just do what me tell you for the same time. And make sure that everything work according to how man say everything for work. See?
Actually, see look. Food soon ready to feed. Yeah, man. See? Yeah, man. See pumpkin dumpling. Yeah, man, is it? Real sunrise thing. Actually, food done cook, you see it? Actually, some of the pot water that I drink now, because that good for you, you know? Yeah, man, pot water good for you. When I cook them bad man food, you see it? Yeah, the water thick and nice. Yeah, man. No, me I warm up back ackee look. Okay, you know I eat first cook, but see ackee and saltfish. Yeah. So take a next look at ackee and saltfish again. Share me and share out. You know, so I'm going to share out my plate of food and show you how me eat. Done? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, there I drink the pot water, man. Then sit and make you strong. When you book girl in a bed, girl, burn. Yes, guys, share, like, and comment on your video and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, man. Nothing other, nothing take off, you see? Yeah, actually, it's sunrise dinner there, you see it? You don't know. The pumpkin and the plantain, dumpling that. And you have plantain, so you have cassava, you have banana, and you have pumpkin, you see it? And you have a breadfruit the under the ackee and saltfish. You see it? And ackee and saltfish with bean. So you don't know. Man, I don't eat some food, so you just got to. You see the thing set, now nobody follow the camera if otherwise I see over mash up some food, but time I come with that to happen, you see it? Just go and tune into my video and go and watch and go and enjoy yourself, you see it? Because many more niceness will come and improvement will come and we are saying, man, things just arise, you know, you see it? Yeah, man. Out the beach there. Yeah, man, the thing just arise, man. I say, just like, share, and comment, you see it, and subscribe to the channel, because you know a sunrise boss. I'm out for now.